How about you stop messing around, Tony?
What do you want for dinner?
Why don't you up your game? Make me something with that good stuff in it.
It's all right, baby. We'll make it through this together.
I can't believe I'm actually shooting this video.
Man, I used to make so much fun of my brother when he tried to introduce this stuff to me 30 years ago. Now look at me. I gave him so much grief, I used to call it hippie fish food. I want to offer my sincere apology.
I'm sorry, Brother Chad.
I don't always use performance-enhancing magic like this, but when I do, it makes everything taste better.
But look what it's done to you, Pappy.
Yeah, but this is naturally made, sweetheart. It's not synthetically made like some of those other performance-enhancing ingredients. And this is a health food packed with vitamins and minerals.
Well, shit, son. Give me some more of that.
And it has between 5 and 6 grams of protein per tablespoon. Now, can I get back to work? Imagine crafting your own powerhouse line of flavors to make or add to any meal. These little beasts are freaking delicious, nutrient dense and energizing, packed with high quality protein, B vitamins and minerals, calcium and fiber, gluten-free, low in sodium. They're also a great support for a healthy immune system. Here you go, sweetie. Most importantly to me is they're tasty as fuck. And you can use them every day. Introducing my secret arsenal. Say hello to my little friend. Not just one, not two, not three, but 6 ways to boost the beast. 6 of my addictive, performance-enhancing seasoning blends, and they make amazing do-it-yourself gifts for that chef in everybody. 3 cups of the beast. Garlic powder, granulated garlic, parsley, rosemary, black pepper powder, sage, flake salt. Last but not least, a tablespoon of any starch you want. Cornstarch, potato starch, rice starch. That's gonna help it not stick together. Garlic and herb will elevate your garlic bread to the next level. Any one of these tastes delicious on pasta. Next one's super delicious. Also one of the best-selling dressings and dips. 3 cups of the beast. Parsley, granulated onion, granulated garlic, onion powder, black pepper powder, flake salt, thyme, dill. Tablespoon of starch. Yum. It's a great seasoning to make croutons with. And this bad boy, 3 cups of the beast. 2 tablespoons of onion granulated, 2 tablespoons of granulated garlic, thyme, sage, black pepper, white pepper, turmeric, salt, sugar, paprika, and starch. A little extra. Yum. Next one is for all you pit masters out there. Love those outdoor flavors? This one's kick-ass. 3 cups of the beast. 2 garlic. Onion powder. Smoked paprika. Chili powder. Toasted and ground coriander seeds. Rosemary, a little more. Starch, black pepper, salt, and brown sugar. Oh, this smells delicious. Next one, super cool. It's expired by breakfast. Get it? 3 cups of the beast. Turmeric, black pepper, onion powder, black salt or kalam namak, granulated garlic, and starch. Last but not least, smoked paprika. You're gonna love this one. Blazing beast spice adds a great topper to soups. Stay tuned because I'll be doing a lot more using those beast flavors. If you like what you saw today, please check out these videos here. Appreciate you guys. See you next time.
Ready?